Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is line and angles, and in that chapter we discuss all the important concepts related to lines and angles, like we discuss about the adjacent angles, we already discussed about the vertically opposite angles, we discuss about the linear pairs, okay, and we also discuss the some important concept related to angles made by the transversal, okay. And now dear student, in that class we are going to discuss some important take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on angle made by the transversal, okay. So let's take and so we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on angle made by the transversal. Let's see dear friends. In the given figure, we take a question. In a given figure, okay, listen. In a given figure, if AB parallel to CD, if AB parallel to CD, angle APQ is equal to 50 degree, and dear friend, angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. Find x and y. Find the values of x and y, okay. And your figure is what? Let's see here. Two lines here, AB parallel to CD, and this is your CD, okay. Here two lines are there which is according to figure, according to question, here two lines AB parallel to CD, okay, and PQR, and in that way a triangle formed PQ. This is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, dear friends, and in that figure, angle APQ as this is given as 50 degree, okay. Angle PRD, this is given as 127 degree, okay. And now, and according to figure, this is given as Y, okay, and this is given as X. Okay, this is the question here. Dear student, in that question we find the values of x and y, okay. Now let's see it. So this is very conceptual and interesting questions of your NCERT exercise. So let's see its solution, dear students. Let's see. First of all, since AB parallel to CD and PQ as a transversal and PQ as a transversal, okay. Dear students, here AB, the line AB parallel to CD, and we take as PQ as a transversal, okay. PQ as a transversal, then angle APQ is equal to angle PQR, because of these are the alternate interior angles, okay. We know that if two parallel lines intersect by a transversal T, then in that condition the alternate interior angles are equal to each other. So dear students, in that figure here AB parallel to CD, okay, AB parallel to CD, and here we take as PQ as a transversal, then in that condition here they form a vertically alternate interior angle which are equal to each other. Thus let's see, angle APQ is what? 50 degree, and angle PQR as what? X, that is the value of x is equal to 50 degree. This is one answer. Now again from figure, let's see. Dear friends, again from figure we apply the exterior angle property. In that figure, angle PRD is the exterior angle, then angle y and angle x are two opposite interior angles. And dear students, you know that very well कि the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angles. So here we apply that property again from figure. Exterior angle PRD is equal to what? Y plus x, because these are the some two opposite interior angles are there. So here we get as y plus the value of angle x is 50, so here we put 50 is equal to, this is 127, so the value of y is equal to 127 minus 50, so we get what? 7. So the value of angle x is what? 50 degree, and the value of y is what? 77 degree. So this is our required solution of the given questions. Okay, thus dear students, in this way, please first you learn all the concept, you clear all the concept of angles made by the transversals. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topics. Okay, so this is the complete solution of this question. Now similarly, you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on same topic. Let's see. Now we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see, dear students. In the given figure, in the given figure, OP parallel to RS, OP parallel to RS. Find angle PQR. Find angle PQR. Okay, find angle PQR, and your figure is, let's see. This is Q. Okay, this is your figure, and here OPQ as 110, this is 110 degree, and this is 130 degree. Okay, this is the question, and we find the angle PQ, we find that angle. Okay, now let's see its solution, dear friends. Dear friends, this is also very important question of your NCERT exercise. Dear friend, in that question, first of all, in that figure, we have to do some constructions. And what is the construction here? Let's see. Just first of all, dear friends, we draw a parallel lines. We draw a line parallel to PQ as well as parallel to RS. Let's see. Now we draw a parallel line. Suppose that we draw a line AB. Okay, we draw a line AB. Now we draw a line AB. Okay, which is parallel to PQ as well as RS. That is line AB parallel to PQ as well as parallel to RS respectively. Okay. Now first of all, dear sir, we have to do some construction in that figure, and for that we first of all we draw a line AB which is parallel to PQ as well as parallel to RS. Okay, now what I do, let's see. Dear student, first now let AB parallel to PQ. Okay, now let AB parallel to PQ, and dear students, if we take AB parallel to PQ and PQ as a transversal line, sorry, AB parallel to PQ and no, this is O. Okay, OP है ना, OP there, line parallel to OP as well as RS, then this is OP. Okay, here this is O. Okay, now let AB parallel to OP. Let AP, first of all we take AB parallel to OP and PQ as a transversal. PQ as a transversal. Okay, then angle OPQ plus angle AQP. Angle AQP is equal to what? 180 degree. Because of why their sum is 180? Because of these angle form a consecutive interior angle, and we know that if two parallel lines cuts by a transversal T, then the consecutive interior angles are supplementary to each other. They are supplementary to each other, so their sum of measure is what? 180 degree. So when it means these are the consecutive interior angles. That is, now let's see, angle OPQ as 110 plus angle AQP, we find that equal to 180. So angle AQP is equal to 180 minus 110, that is angle AQP is equal to what? This is 70 degree. So in this way we find angle AQP as what? 70 degree. Okay, now again from figure, now again from figure, AB parallel to RS, AB parallel to RS, and QR as a transversal, and QR as a transversal, that is angle QRS plus angle RQB is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, क्यों? Because these are also consecutive. These are the consecutive interior angles. So we put an angle QRS is equal to 130. So here we put 130 plus angle RQB. Find that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, dear students. So the value of angle RQB is equal to 180 minus 130. That is what? 50 degree. These are the 50 degree. So this angle is what? 50 degree. Okay. Now, dear students, in this way, with the help of that diagram, we find the angle PQA as 70 degree and angle RQB as 50 degree. But we have to find angle PQR. Dear students, here AQB is a straight line, and we know that the sum of all angles on a straight line is always 180 degree. So we apply that the sum of measures is 180 degree. Now let's see again from from figure this is 70 degree plus angle PQR plus 50 degree is equal to what? 180 degree, right? Now from there we get what? This is 120 plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Thus the angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 120. Thus angle PQR is equal to what? 60 degree. Okay. This is our required solution of the given questions. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, please first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay. So first revise all the questions and do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Let's see. Now, let's see a question and solve it. In the given figure, dear friends, if PQ parallel to RS, angle MXQ is equal to 135 degree, and angle MYR is equal to 40 degree. Find angle XMY. Find angle XMY. And your figure is two given lines PQ and RS are parallel to each other. This is R, this is S. Okay, XM. This is M, this is X, this is Y. This is 40 degree and this is what? 135 degree. We find angle XMY. We find that angles. Okay. This is the question here. This is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, dear students. Now let's see its solution. Okay, let's see. Dear friends, first of all, in that question, we have to do some construction in that questions. And what is the construction? Let's see. First of all, dear friends, we draw a line. First of all, suppose that we draw a line AB, okay, which is parallel to PQ as well as parallel to RS. Okay. Now let's see. Draw a line AB which is parallel to PQ as well as RS. That is AB parallel to PQ parallel to RS. Okay dear friends, and we take as angle XMB as angle 1 and angle YMB as angle 2. Okay, now let angle XMB as angle 1 and angle YMB as angle 2, that is angle X and Y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Take equation number 1. Okay dear friends, if we take angle, this angle is angle 1 and angle Y and B as angle 2, then dear student, by the help of the figure we have angle X and Y as angle X and Y is what? Angle 1 plus angle 2. This is the concept here. Okay, now what I do is, first of all, in this way, first of all we find the angle 1 as well as we find the angle 2. After finding the angle 1 and 2, we put all the values of angle 1, angle 2 in that equation. Hence we get our result as angle XMY. Okay, now let's see. Now we first of all we take AB parallel to PQ and MX as a transversal and MX as a transversal. Okay, then angle 1 plus angle MXQ is equal to 180 degree, because these are the consecutive interior angles. Okay, thus we get what? Angle 1 plus angle MXQ is what? This is 135 is equal to 180. That is angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 135. Thus the value of angle 1 is what? Now we subtract 135 from 180, so we get what? 5. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 45 degrees. So in this way, dear student, the value of angle 1 we get is what? 45. Okay, now we take RS parallel to AB and MY as a transversal, okay, and MY as a transversal, then that is angle 2 is equal to 40 degree. Because of these are the alternate interior angles. Okay, these are the alternate interior angles. Now what I do, now we put the value of angle 1 and angle 2 in equation 1. Okay, thus from equation 1, let's see, thus from equation 1 we get what we get? Let's see, angle X and Y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 now. So the value of angle 1 is what? 45. The value of angle 2 is what? 40. So we get what? 5. This is 85. Let's see. Yes, it is the right answer. Thus, dear students, in this way we solve that question and we get our result as what? 85 degree. So 85 degree is our required answer solution of the given question. Thus in this way, so this is one of the most important question, dear students, of your NCERT exercise. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, so in this way you can solve so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic angle made by the transversal. Okay, now you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the same topic. Now we take one more question based on that chapter. Let's see. And your question, if L parallel to M, two lines are there, L and M, two lines are there which is parallel to each other. What? Find the value of x. And your question is anchored by a transversal that. Okay, this is 2. This is 3y. This is 2y plus 25. 2y plus 25. This is x plus 15. X plus 15 there, okay? In that figure we find the value of x. We find the value of x, okay? This is very easy question, dear students. Let's see its solution. In the given figure, let's see its solution. Since L parallel to M, suppose this is a T and T be the transversal, okay? Transversal. Then 3y is equal to 2y plus 25 because these are the alternate interior angles. These are the alternate interior angles. And we know that the alternate interior angles are equal to each other. So from there we get what? 3y minus 2y is equal to what? 25. So 3y minus y, that is y is equal to 25. Thus the value of angle 2y plus 25 is equal to what? 2 into 25 plus 25. That is what? 25 to the 15 plus this is 25, so we get 75. So the value of 2y plus 25 degree is what? 7. So this angle is equal to what? 75 degree. Okay. Again from figure, dear student, let's see here. Let's see, these are the vertically opposite angles, and we know that if two lines are intersect each other, then the pair of vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Now let's see from figure, again from figure. Again from figure, two lines here, M and T are intersect each other at point this. The vertically opposite angle are equal to each other. Then from figure, x plus 15 degree same as equal to 2y plus 25, and which is equal to 75. Right in this way. Now from there, x plus 15 is equal to, this is 75 degree. Because of we find the value of 2y plus 25 as 50 plus 25 as was 75. So from there we get the value of x plus 15 is equal to 75. Now from there we get the value of x is what? 75 degree minus 15 degree. So we get value of x equal to 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 1, that is 6. So the value of x is what? 60 degree. Let's see its solution. Yes, right. So thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic line and angle. So dear student, first you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on lines and angles. Okay. So dear student, in next class we take and revise some other chapter of your NCERT exercise. Okay. So first you complete your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, so thanks to all.